History of Computers, Part 3. In 1977, Radio Shack began its initial production run of 3,000 TRS-80 Model 1 computers, disparagingly known as the Trash 80 inches, priced at $599, according to the National Museum of American History. Within a year, the company took 250,000 orders for the computer, according to the book How TRS-80 Enthusiasts Helped Spark the PC Revolution. The Seeker Books, 2007. 1977. The first West Coast Computer Fair is held in San Francisco. Jobs and Wozniak present the Apple II computer at the fair, which includes color graphics and features an audio cassette drive for storage. 1978. VisiCalc, the first computerized spreadsheet program, is introduced. 1979. MicroPro International, founded by software engineer Seymour Rubinstein, releases WordStar, the world's first commercially successful word processor. WordStar is programmed by Rob Barnaby and includes 137,000 lines of code, according to Matthew G. Kirschenbaum's book Track Changes, A Literary History of Word Processing. Harvard University Press, 2016. 1981. Acorn, IBM's first personal computer, is released onto the market at a price point of $1,565, according to IBM. Acorn uses the MS-DOS operating system from Windows. Optional features include a display, printer, 2 diskette drives, extra memory, a game adapter, and more. 1983. The Apple Lisa, standing for Local Integrated Software Architecture, but also the name of Steve Jobs' daughter, according to the National Museum of American History, NMAH, is the first personal computer to feature a GUI. The machine also includes a drop-down menu and icons. Also this year, the Gavilan SC is released and is the first portable computer with a flip-form design and the very first to be sold as a laptop. 1984. The Apple Macintosh is announced to the world during a Super Bowl advertisement. The Macintosh is launched with a retail price of $2,500, according to the NMAH. 1985. As a response to the Apple Lisa's GUI, Microsoft releases Windows in November 1985, The Guardian reported. Meanwhile, Commodore announces the Amiga 1000. 1989. Tim Berners-Lee, a British researcher at the European Organization for Nuclear Research, CERN, submits his proposal for what would become the World Wide Web. His paper details his ideas for Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, the building blocks of the web. 1993. The Pentium microprocessor advances the use of graphics and music on PCs. 1996. Sergey Brin and Larry Page developed the Google search engine at Stanford University. 1997. Microsoft invests $150 million in Apple, which at the time is struggling financially. This investment ends an ongoing court case in which Apple accused Microsoft of copying its operating system. 1999. Wi-Fi, the abbreviated term for wireless fidelity, is developed, initially covering a distance of up to 300 feet, 91 meters, Wired reported. 2001, Mac OS X, later renamed OS X, then simply macOS, is released by Apple as the successor to its standard Mac operating system. OS X goes through 16 different versions, each with 10 inches as its title, and the first 9 iterations are nicknamed after big cats, with the first being codenamed Cheetah, TechRadar reported. 2003, AMD's Athlon 64, the first 64-bit processor for personal computers, is released to customers. 2004, the Mozilla Corporation launches Mozilla Firefox 1.0. The web browser is one of the first major challenges to Internet Explorer, owned by Microsoft. During its first 5 years, Firefox exceeded 1 billion downloads by users, according to the Web Design Museum. 2005. Google buys Android, a Linux-based mobile phone operating system. 2006. The MacBook Pro from Apple hits the shelves. The Pro is the company's first Intel-based dual-core mobile computer. 2009. Microsoft launches Windows 7 on July 22. The new operating system features the ability to pin applications to the taskbar, scatter windows away by shaking another window, easy-to-access jump lists, easier previews of tiles, and more, TechRadar reported. 2010. The iPad, Apple's flagship handheld tablet, is unveiled. 2011. Google releases the Chromebook, which runs on Google Chrome OS. 2015. Apple releases the Apple Watch. Microsoft releases Windows 10. 2016, the first reprogrammable quantum computer was created. Until now, there hasn't been any quantum computing platform that had the capability to program new algorithms into their system. They're usually each tailored to attack a particular algorithm, said study lead author Shantanu Debnath, a quantum physicist and optical engineer at the University of Maryland, College Park. To be continued.